Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and this is going to be a quick unboxing of the MarchPower fold-away rechargeable fan. You can see it's a floor and a desk fan, 2-in-1, 10-inch large panel, 7200 mAh rechargeable battery. You can see you can have it low and short, you can have it tall, and it completely folds away and stores in its own carry pouch. It is rechargeable, so it doesn't have to be by a power supply in order to use it. Rechargeable, you've got a remote control operation, you've got a handbag included, 28 hours max standby time, you've got a timer function, adjustable height, 5 meters of air supply distance, and you have a 4.9 foot power cable. You can see it does fold up to be this nice round small thing that fits in a box like this. You've got adjustable height, easy to store and clean, built-in 7200 mAh rechargeable battery. Longest standby time is up to 28 hours. Timer function with remote control. Comes with a handbag, easy to carry anywhere, and it's super quiet, only 13 to 25 decibels and 5 wind levels of speed. So it'll supply 5 meters of air supply distance. So we're just gonna unbox it real quick and take a quick look at it. What comes in the box? There you go. And this is the fan. I'm just going to move stuff out of the way here. You do have a little instruction manual to explain how to use it. And then let's take a quick look at, oops, sorry, didn't mean to bump the camera there. Let's take a quick look at, you get the charging cable. It is USB Type-C, and that's what's used to recharge the battery in this thing. And then you have your remote control. Nice, simple remote control. You got timer button, it looks like. That may be oscillation. That's timer, maybe nighttime for low. You've got your fan speed, power. So very nice little stylish, simple little remote. And so that's how you can control it. And you can see it comes in this nice little carrying case, has a little pouch on the side to hold the remote and the charging cord. Let's open this up and take a look at the fan itself. And this is it. Let's get it out of the bag here. And there you go. Nice and small, and you see the fan in there. I'm gonna have to, of course, read how to use this so I'll know exactly how it works. Since this is just the unboxing, I don't know yet. Oh, there we go. Aha. Aha, so there we go. Pretty easy, just unfolds out of there or folds back down in there. So that's cool. Very neat design. Just folds out like that. And then you can see this does extend up. You've got 3 levels of extension, so you could have it like a normal height of a fan, or you can have it low like this for desk. You can see you can lock it into place, loosen it or locking it there. That's how you would lock it. You've got your IR receiver here, but you also have controls on the device itself. So you don't have to use the remote. You've got a power button. You've got your what I assume is maybe an oscillating button, fan speed button, timer button, or nighttime button, all right there on the base of the fan. And yeah, really, really cool. There's your charging port right there. That's the USB-C charging port, so that's where you'd plug it in. Nice rubber feet on the bottom so that it will stay in place wherever you put it and won't vibrate against what you put it against. So very cool, very simple design, but very really innovative. Really, really cool fan. And yeah, you get the fan that, again, it will extend up much, much higher if you wanted to, or you can have it at that length. You've got your controls here. You've got your remote control to control it as well. You've got your charging cable, your instructions, and your carrying case. And that is everything that comes in the box. That's going to be it for the unboxing. If you like this video, click that like button. Stay tuned. I will have a full demo and review video coming up in the future, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe to my channel so you can keep up with that as well as other product reviews and unboxings that I'll be doing, or just favorite this playlist if you want to keep up with videos. And if you have any questions, post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That's going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.